Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another review video on my channel. And if you're not familiar with this space, my name is Mary. I do a lot of skincare reviews on my channel and sometimes other beauty related content. So please make sure that you are subscribed so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Be Minimalist is a brand that I have reviewed just once. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about their 2% salicylic acid serum. I have reviewed their 10% niacinamide serum, and in case you're interested to know about that serum, check out the link in the description box below. So the price of this product is 549 rupees and you get 30 ml quantity of this serum. The packaging of this product is amazing. It has an outer cardboard box, and not just that, inside that cardboard box there was another cardboard box which was adding an extra layer of protection to the glass bottle. Now the inner packaging comes in the form of this dark glass bottle, and it has a dropper dispenser, and even the dropper dispenser has a little bit of a pointy tip which I did not notice which is something unique which I haven't seen in other serums. Talking about the texture of this serum, it has a very runny texture because it is water based, and it does get absorbed quite easily and quickly into the skin. Now the most important part of this review is the ingredient. Of any other review that I do is the ingredients, and as usual it contains 2% of salicylic acid. Apart from salicylic acid, it contains oligopeptide 10, EGCG, which is a form of an antioxidant, and the entire formulation is fragrance. Now let's see the claims that they have mentioned regarding this product. Reduces acne, blackheads, excessive oil, a daily gentle exfoliant with 2% salicylic acid that wards off acne, blackheads and keeps your oils in check for that flawless matte looking skin. Fragrance free, non-comedogenic, and also pH is mentioned, which is 3.2 to 4. Usually I do this in all of my serum reviews, so I also mention how to use a particular serum, and they have actually given the right order of using it, and here's how they show: cleanser, toner, salicylic acid, and then you can moisturize and then add sunscreen on top of it. Then they mention in how to use: apply 2 to 3 drops after cleansing and toning, let the serum absorb fully into the skin before moving on to the next step of your routine. And when to use, they say in the PM routine, start with alternate day, and after 2 weeks of usage, use it every day. Okay, that's it from the claims. Now I want to share my review about this product, and I'm so excited to talk to you about this. With this particular salicylic acid, they claim that you can use it every single day after 2 weeks of usage. So first of all, talking about how I used it, as they mentioned, I used it in my PM routine, and I feel that it's best to use it in your nighttime skincare routine. And I agree with the how to use, and that's exactly how I used it, just before applying my moisturizer and after cleansing my skin. Toning is something that I don't do. I feel it's not needed. That's how I used it. Now talking about how often I used it, first of all, I started by using it once a week because salicylic acid serum is something that I haven't used a lot in my routine before. So I started by using it once a week, then I switched to using it twice a week. I feel that this is very beginner friendly. If you have never used a salicylic acid before, you can still try this out. Now coming to my experience of using this product, when I started using it, from the first use itself, I did notice certain changes. Like I felt my skin feeling much more softer and glowing and looking healthier. I have very stubborn blackheads and whiteheads on my nose. With this salicylic acid serum, it was quite effective, and just 3 uses got rid of a lot of blackheads and whiteheads from my nose. So as an exfoliating serum, in terms of application, in terms of working on blackheads and whiteheads, it is definitely effective. Talking about the effectiveness of this serum on acne, it was definitely effective on acne. I had got a lot of breakouts near my hairline over here, and as soon as I started using this serum, it was like it started working in healing up those acne breakouts, and slowly with 4 or 5 uses, I think it was like completely flattened out and almost gone, and it hasn't left any scar. But when I was applying the serum, I was like focusing on those areas on those concern areas wherever I had acne breakouts. So I was applying it in those specific areas more than the other areas where it was not needed. So I focused on my nose area where I get a lot of blackheads and whiteheads. Then I also focused on the areas where I had breakouts, so that that was really effective, and I did not notice any more acne coming up. So it was very effective on my acne, it was very effective on my blackheads and whiteheads. And not just this, I also noticed my texture of my skin improving. Now there were a lot of textured area over this area of my cheeks, the high points of my face. I never used to apply highlighter on my skin because I didn't want to highlight those textured areas, so I stopped using highlighter for quite some time. Now because I see improvement in the textures on my skin in those areas, I did apply a little bit of highlighter today. Now I don't have a lot of pigmentation, so I'm not sure if it would work on pigmentation, but I did notice when I was using the Minimalist Niacinamide serum, that worked on my pigmentation during that time. I had some pigmentation around my mouth area. Now it's gone very less. This is the best product, salicylic acid based product, and I highly recommend it, especially if you have oily acne prone skin. Just blindly go for it. It is super effective, totally worth your money. So that is it from my overall review of the Be Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Serum. I hope you found this review video to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't leave this video without subscribing, because if you want totally honest review videos, then I will leave some review videos in the description box below, some playlists, so that it will be easier for you to find anything that you are looking for. Maybe there's something that I've already reviewed. So yeah, that's it from today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.